Linking your bank account to Grubhub allows for seamless payments and easier transactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Access your account settings. Log into your Grubhub account. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen, to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. Within the account settings, look for the Payment or Payment Method section. This is where you can manage your payment information. Step 4. Add a bank account. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account and enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy and then save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can enjoy hassle-free ordering with your bank account linked to Grubhub. Happy ordering!